Wealthsimple versus Questrade. In today's video, we are going to compare Wealthsimple and Questrade. So let's get started. So, Wealthsimple is designed for beginners, offering commission-free trades on stocks and adders with no account minimums or annual fee. On the other hand, Questrade is a platform that provides a broader range of investment options including options, bonds, jigs, mutual funds, and international etiquettes. So, if we talk about account types, overall, Wealthsimple support TFSA, RSP, and personal account. And if we talk about Questrade, it supports additional options like RESP, LIRA, and margin accounts. So, if we talk about their market data access, Wealthsimple has delayed quotes of up to 15 minutes, which might not be ideal for active traders. And Questrade offers free real-time market data, making it a better choice for those who need up to the second information. That's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.